So I'm still trying to figure out the settings on this camera. So this is quite dull now, and it's fine by a window, but if I go back into the room, you know, it's too dark. So I'm gonna see if it'll adjust. It'll readjust a little bit. There we go. So it will readjust. The problem is when there is lights on, it's really yellow. So I need to figure this out. I mean, it's good that it adjusts me. It's deadly because it is quite dark in here. I want to turn on the lights now. But when I turn on the lights, whoa! So I'm going to change the settings to tungsten light and see. So it's the white balance I need to sort out. Okay, so I have adjusted the white balance to tungsten light, and it's not too bad. Oh, look at my scratch on my nose. Bella scratched me on my nose. Can I picked her up? Nice. I'm gonna see if I can readjust. See, if I go near the window now with the light, it's really washed out and a blue tone on me because of the daylight. So let's see if we can. I mean, this looks fine here, but if I go into maybe the sitting room with the tree, yeah, it's not too bad. But if I turn on the actual lights as well, whoo, readjust. It's really fighting. Still really yellow. Okay, I need to play around with this some more. Okay, I'm sure this is riveting, but it's just, I may as well film myself figuring it out because I'll have to do that anyway. I'm going to try and get some more decorations put up. I'm going to do the hall now, I think. Okay. Hey, do you know where there are any extension leads? To go from your room into onto the landing for the lights on in the hall. Okay, thanks. Bye. Okay, let's see if these work. No. Yeah, so top tip, do not put your lights up or anything that has lights on it until you plug them in and see if they work. This happened last year with these lights, so I'm going to have to go and get some more lights for the garland on the stairs, although I was due to get some anyway. Actually, Brian! Oh, he's so good. Just had a bath and washed my hair. Not that you'd know. I think Brian's back. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yay! Now the question is, should I do it now and put them on the garland, or tomorrow? Tomorrow. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.